Hello everyone, my name is Ronald Denisio and I'm the 7th grade virtual content specialist for social studies. In this teacher-facing video, I will talk about using an iPad and Apple Pencil to facilitate virtual learning. If you are someone who likes to share their screen on Zoom or Google Meet, an iPad is an excellent way to share your screen and facilitate learning for your students. This will be video 1 of 2 of this video series. In this video, I will let you know everything you need to do to begin using your iPad in virtual learning. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the App Store on your iPad and download the free version of PDF Expert. With a few simple steps, this app will allow you to screen share the Google Slides for your Passport to Social Studies lessons, and you'll be able to write directly on the slides using an Apple Pencil. Next, you'll want to make a copy of the slides that you posted for your students and download the slides to your desktop and save the slides as a PDF. Then you'll want to upload your slides to Google Classroom, where you'll be able to access your PDF file on your iPad. Now I'll take you through those steps now. So you're seeing here, I'm going to the digital curriculum, and I'm going to find the Unit 4 launch, which is Lesson 1 of Unit 4 for the Passport to Social Studies curriculum, the Introduction to Expansion and Reform. And as I wait for this to load, I'm going to get ready to click File, which I'll do right now, make a copy, and I'm going to copy over the entire presentation to my drive. So I'll click this folder here, and I'm going to go back and past the shared drives until I find my drive and copy the presentation over. Now, I've already taken some time to read the note to teacher slides and the guidance for instruction slides, and I want to prepare this for students. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete those teacher-facing slides and get the presentation ready for students. And then what you just saw there is I downloaded the presentation as a PDF. My downloads go to the desktop, so I'll find it here. And now what I want to do is go to my drive, and I'm going to upload the presentation as a PDF. So it's really important that you download it as a PDF so that you can upload it as a PDF and use it on your PDF Expert app. So now you'll see here, once I get this to load, that this presentation is ready for me to present to students, to share my screen on Zoom, and to use my Apple Pencil to take notes, which is extremely helpful for a lesson like this, especially with the introduction to model slides. I can now write and annotate directly on the slides for students. Finally, you'll need to go to your account on your iPad, find the slides that you uploaded in your Google Drive, and then open them in PDF Expert. So on my iPad, I'm going to find Google Drive, where I'll go to my recent folder and open up the slides that I just uploaded on my computer. Then I'm going to take the slides and I'm going to export them to my app, the PDF Export app. If I go to the top right, click PDF Export, and now the launching the unit slides are uploaded into PDF Export, where I can annotate and present these slides for my students. You are ready to share your iPad screen on Zoom with 3 simple steps. First, you'll click the share screen. You'll then click iPhone, iPad via AirPlay, and then click share. I'll show you what it looks like here, and then I'll take you through the steps on my iPad. So now I'll walk you through the steps. We'll go to Zoom, and we'll click share screen, and then iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. We'll select that, click share, and then you'll see this message pop up. And on my iPad, I'm going to click screen mirroring, and you'll see in step 3 on this screen that you see here, you'll see that option on your iPad. You'll have to make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as well. And once you select it, you'll see that the iPad is now screen shared via Zoom. That concludes video 1 of 2 of this video series, using your iPad in virtual learning. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video series, where I'll go over how to utilize your iPad best when teaching Passport to Social Studies lessons.